Delta Schools, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, approximately 1,800 square feet. Kitchen updates in 2019 include quartz countertop, stainless steel appliances, cabinets, including pantry cabinet with pull-out drawers, and laminate flooring. Circular floor plan features formal living/dining room plus family room with wood-burning fireplace. Updated guest bath has jetted bathtub with tile walls and tile backsplash at sink. Updated master bath has full wall of closets, quartz countertop, double sinks, and tile shower. Living space extends beyond the interior with a privacy fence deck. Updates per cellar, roof, 2017, gas furnace and central air, 2018, metal attic ladder, 2022, and replacement windows, 2015. Neighborhood swimming pool membership available for purchase. Plans for a new neighborhood playground are underway. Offers will be accepted through 5 p.m. Friday, May 6. Seller reserves the right to accept any offer before the deadline.